Hi, I'm John, and this is Dice Paper Miniatures Live Clips. These are segments pulled from my Twitch live streams. This is a way for me to cross-promote both my YouTube recorded content as well as my Twitch live streams. The kind of content you'll see on the live clips focuses on, well, the material I have over on Twitch live stream, but in bite-sized segments. Everything from miniature painting to hobby reviews and discussions, unboxings, and various industry news. It would be awesome if you could click that subscribe and notification bell for future content updates, as well as share this content. All of this helps with the YouTube algorithm. In addition to helping the YouTube channel here, it also helps bring awareness to the Twitch livestream, which is typically at least once a week, if not multiple times a week. The schedule is a work in progress, so it definitely helps to follow me on Twitch so you don't miss any of those live streams there. But if you do, that's what the live clips are for here on YouTube. And lastly, before we get into the content here for the live clip, please consider checking out the merch store over on Teespring, where I have things like t-shirts, mugs, stickers, banners, and now face masks, which are perfect for respecting the space of your fellow gamers at your local game store. Furthermore, some of these live clips I do reserve for my Patreon page, which if you haven't checked that out, I definitely encourage you to check out the Patreon, as that is just another way to help support the channel, which helps creating the content that you see here. Thank you so much. Now here is today's live clip. Did GW release these spoilers on the Facebook Blood Bowl community page? Or was this GW itself? Like, who was it? Was it GW that spoiled this, or was it like a mystery person? I think there's even a voting poll right now on the community page that most believe it's GW. And if it is, that's cool. Whatever. It worked out well. I've covered this topic a couple times already on my live stream, as well as just sharing it on my the Dice Paper Miniatures Facebook page that I have. But I really appreciate GW taking a little bit of a risk with their new Necro team. And we'll watch this video because I think it's amazing. So yeah, the new Necromantic team, they're pretty awesome. So they did a Halloween theme, if you didn't figure that out. So it's kind of funny, these designs. The more I look at them, the more little nuances I pick up that I didn't see originally. But you know, this being like a scarecrow zombie, that's mostly a scarecrow filled with straw and wood and a pumpkin for a head, but there's also some body parts here still too. Some zombie body parts. So that's kind of funny. This one's mostly zombie body parts, but he still kind of has like the straw the straw pelvic area, which is kind of funny. Hips of straw. This is mostly zombie, but he's got like the wooden leg, but then he's still got kind of the lower body of straw. This one is mostly just, you know, I think it's a ghoul, but it's there's no wooden bits as far as actual body parts go. It's mostly a fleshy thing. Yeah, these are pretty cool sculpts. Now, if you've been watching this on the Facebook community page, the whites have been kind of polarizing. A lot of people thought they'd be kind of closer to like the Night Haunts, and they kind of have that vibe, but they're just straight up like white ghost sheets. Some people talked about like painting like your typical like black eyes and maybe like writing boo on the front of it or something. But it's like a clothesline with like Halloween socks pinned to it, which are cute. I mean, this is This is definitely a cutesy version of the team, and it's not going to be for everyone. I get it, but I do appreciate it. I really like it. Um, the Frankenstein monsters are super cool, for sure. Yeah, in fact, the two these are probably some of my most, I guess, favorite, if you will, GW sculpts. These two Frankenstein-looking dudes. And then they're werewolf. You know, even if you play like a traditional necromantic team, you don't have to paint these colors, and these werewolves are great. They're not overly Halloween themed in terms of the sculpt goes, so yeah, they could be used for a traditional necromantic team. So yeah, like I said, I talked about this content previously, but these were higher quality images of the models, so I wanted to kind of look at that tonight, just briefly. So again, I highly encourage you all to, if you haven't yet seen this on Facebook, the Blood Bowl community Facebook page is where a lot of these spoilers, teasers, tomato, whatever you want to call them, they've been released all week long, and it's probably safe to say we'll see more of those released throughout this week, as well as in GW having more of an official post on their Warhammer community page.